Beginning with version 3.1, I'm introducing a new concept for our users and how they can access our learning material, whether that is a guide or an iLearning video. And I've now compiled all that into a new feature called Learning Plans. The learning plans are located in the iChannel user guide section on our community support page. So now when you access that, there's a new section here called the iChannel In-User Learning Plans 3.1. There's currently 19 articles in here. And if you click on the section heading, it'll take you over to all 19 of those. So let's talk a little bit about how this is designed to work. Instead of creating a large manual that could potentially be over 150 pages, today's learner really doesn't spend a lot of time going through a paper manual. We have dedicated more of our time to e-learnings, iLearnings, getting short snippets on how to use a key feature or learning more about a feature. But to support the learner that may still engage in paper guides, printed guides, and then to also support individuals who like to learn more from a video content learning, I've created our entire iChannel application into modules. I've broken them out into the key modules. There's currently 9 modules that I've broken it out to. And so let's talk a little bit about what they are. So our first module is dedicated to just getting started with the iChannel dashboard. So if a user was to click that link, they will get first a brief description of what is in this content. And this content is a guide. It's a paper guide that they can click on. Now, if this same user would like to instead learn how to get started with iChannel and the iChannel dashboard, there's also an iChannel iLearning video that does the same thing. The user could come over here, and instead of getting a guide, they could just watch a quick video instead. Now, the second module is dedicated to our client file area. And as you can see here, when you click on that, you will get, again, a brief description of all things covered in this guide. Here's the guide located down at the lower section. There's also short videos that support the client file area. Users can click on that. And instead, if they'd like to watch a video, more video content will be coming in to support each module as we go through. So let's just kind of go through the modules listed over here on the left side. As you can see, sometimes you'll see a guide or you'll see an iLearning video. Module 3 is dedicated to our CRM area of our iChannel. As you can see here, there's videos that also support that. There's 2 so far. We have our iChannel workflows in Module 4. There's also a video about the workflow rollover tool that's located there. I'll go ahead and click some more here. I'm going to go ahead and here our module number 5 is dedicated to the iChannel retention module. Not only is there a guide, there's also video, depending on if the user wishes to learn by the guide or the video. iFetch is module number 7. Module 6 is routing. I'm still working on that. I'll get that uploaded soon. You can also see there's video content that supports the guide. So again, the user has 2 options available at all times, a guide or a video. To support. Our module number 8 is dedicated to the portal. The first part is an internal for the users of iChannel to create the subscriber record. And then, of course, our getting to know iChannel portal. This is for our external clients. This is how they access the client portal to either get requests from their iChannel firm representative or publish documents. So again, this new concept is to allow us to create a learning plan for a new user. A new user now has a dedicated learning plan of how to learn iChannel and all things iChannel. And this will grow. There'll be more content coming here. I also want to point out that just because I'm creating a learning plan, that does not mean that there still isn't dedicated areas like on system requirements or the guides that support anything prior to version 3.1. As you can see here, there are still dedicated sections that are individual areas. This is designed that when we get a new user, we're onboarding a new user, whether that's internal or external, that user now has a dedicated learning plan on how to use iChannel. So let's remember, let's get our clients registered for community support page. Let's navigate them to this area. Let's get more individuals, more of our clients on community support. Let's drive them to our material that we're creating. I hope this will help. If you have any questions, just please reach out to me. Thanks so much.